One of the techniques that you can use is your own body language. Like, for example, if you decided with your students and they are comfortable with it that you're going to give on-the-spot feedback. So, for example, if the students did a sentence in the wrong way and it should be in the negative, so you're agreeing with him on some symbols using your body. Like, for example, if I did this, it means that he should have used not or don't or, you know, a negative word here. And he missed it. So when he sees this sign, so he's just going to correct himself. Something else that you can do is using gestures. For example, let's say that we agreed with the students, if we're talking about the past, we're gonna do like this. If we're talking about the future, we're gonna do like that. So if he misused the tenses or got confused, I can just show him by my hand that this should be in the future without talking. So they will try to correct themselves. Another technique you can use is mouthing. You know, like, for example, I'm going to agree with them that if there is a certain word they mispronounce, I'm just gonna show it with my lips. You know, for example, it is gonna be or formulation or any of the words that we have taken as vocabulary and they are using it in the role play. So they are going to correct themselves because they have already heard it and they know what I'm saying, but without saying it out loud to distract them.